You can't hurt me. A fundamental respect for all living beings, that's what you said. I'm a living being, therefore you can't harm me.
You will surrender yourself to the authorities.
Or what? Your fire? That's an empty threat, we both know that. Submit to your fate, Data. Return to your chair and you will sit over there. You will entertain me and you will entertain my guests. And if you do not, I will simply kill somebody else. Him perhaps, or maybe him. And their blood will be on your hands too, just like poor Varia's. Your only alternative is to fire. Murder me. That's all you have to do. Go ahead, your troubles are over. Fire. If only you could feel anger at Varia's death. If only you could feel some need of revenge. Then perhaps you could fire. But you're only an android. You don't feel anything, do you? It's all just an interesting intellectual puzzle, isn't it? Just one of life's curiosities.
I cannot permit this to continue.
You can't. No, your program will not allow you. You cannot fire.